Hi everyone, Dr. Remy from Pain Free and Fit. Today, another advanced exercise for those of you with lower back spondylolisthesis, weighted bird dogs. Hope you enjoy. So, the standard bird dog, where we're on all fours and we're lifting one leg up and the opposite arm up, challenges your ability to hold a neutral spine. In this position, because of the lever weight of the leg and the arm, the lower back wants to start arching. And when it increases its arch, where the tail comes up and the arch increases, it mechanically drives that spondylolisthesis vertebra more forward, many times aggravating the posterior disc, the facet joints, and other spinal structures that cause spondylolisthesis pain. So once you begin knowing what your neutral spine is, how to engage the muscles that's unique to you and no one else. Again, if you don't know what that is, check out our free body analysis at painfreeandfit.com. Learning how to engage your neutral spine and building up the time to 3 to 5 minutes on a static bird dog can be advanced to this exercise, which is a weighted bird dog. And all we're going to do is we're going to use a weight in our hands. Doesn't have to be heavy, maybe 5 or 8 pounds to begin. Engage your RPI, neutral spine, tuck your tailbone under and crunch down so you're avoiding that arching in the back. And you're going to now hold a weight in that arm that's extended. This provides a lot more of a lever arm of stress of that arm, and you're going to want to resist that by pulling up and arching the back. So it takes strong abs to hold your back flat and not arch it as you hold that weight. You can also increase the weight on the leg by adding an ankle weight or a resistance band under that leg attached to something down low, so you're having an even more advanced exercise where you have resistance both in the leg and the back. Again, the tendency is to try to raise up against that resistance, which typically is going to arch the back, but now you're challenging that with tail under and abdominal crunch down position to hold that back flat. Great exercise to advance your training, get the abs stronger with weight, both lower and upper extremity, to assist you in your self-rehab of your spondylolisthesis low back pain. If you like this video on weighted bird dogs, check out our channel, subscribe to it. Questions or comments, write in. I'll do my best as always to answer them. And remember, if you're looking for a great spondylolisthesis program to tailor fit to your needs based on a unique analysis of your biomechanics, your spinal stability, check out our Fast Track program available at painfreeandfit.com. Has all your analysis, conditioning exercises, core rebalancing exercises, and how to build a program to get back into high levels of fitness, working out hard without aggravating your low back pain. I hope this video on weighted bird dogs helps you with your lower back spondylolisthesis.